Splash and Wag, best friends all day. In Coraville, come out and play. Learn a word and be kind to.
Splash and Wag are here for you! This is the best day ever! Welcome to Coraville!
This is the best day ever!
We did it, everyone! We finished the mural!
Magnificent!
Magnificent!
Time for a celebration! Woo! Everyone, let's celebrate together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. When we celebrate, we do it with joy and enthusiasm. Yes! Celebrate!
Celebration, we got a star story, got a teal flag. Yay! Story goes, hey, to get Coraville!
Coraville, Coraville!
And a middle club!
Coraville, it's a celebration. Coraville, join the fun.
Hi there! Let's talk about being awesome! Like sharing your favorite toy, waiting calmly like for your turn, facing a new adventure, curious, wondering how things work, saying sorry when we need to. And remember, Wag, if you believe in yourself, you can do anything! Yeah! Woo! We didn't always know how to say it, but you showed us what kindness really means. Thank you for teaching us all the most important words.